Can I ask, how long y'all been building computers?
Well, my granddaddy learned how to build PCs under candlelight by his daddy before him, and my daddy learned how to build PCs out in the barn over there, and I've been building PCs since before I could even walk. Mister, these GPUs are grown from seeds to harvest.
Are y'all organic?
I collect these CPUs every morning.
I've been raising these chickens since they were single core.
Farm to table, dirt and all.
I take it y'all local then.
Sir, we're just a click away. When you buy Phoenix, you buy local. Yeah, buddy.
We are Phoenix, an employee-owned startup company. Our goal is to provide high-quality computers to everyone from beginners to enthusiasts, and the best part is that you get to watch the entire process live.
Every PC has been tested to meet our high standards. If it's less than perfect, it doesn't leave the warehouse. We have carefully chosen the parts for our models so that you get the best price for the performance. Plus, it's ready to plug and play right out of the box. If there is a problem, our team of dedicated professionals is there to help you resolve it.
We are a group of talented, motivated, knowledgeable individuals in the computer industry who share a like-minded goal in bringing you the PC experience you deserve. We're putting all our effort into chasing this dream together.
To celebrate a new chapter for our team, we're kicking things off with a free PC giveaway. This PC will be built live on June 24th. The winner will be announced at the end of that stream. To enter this giveaway, find the Gleam link on any of our socials, click it, get as many entries as you can. If you see this video, the giveaway's live.
We are Phoenix. Thank you for supporting us, and we hope to rise above your expectations.